Hi, check out this cool new feature of GibbsCAM version 13. It's called Operation Tile Stacking. There's 4 modes in it. There's individual mode, process list mode, and manual mode. So the first one, individual mode, is the way GibbsCAM has always been, with all these tiles on the right side. So if you double click here, you've got this long list of tiles for each one of these pockets. Well, now we can condense it. If we go into process mode, it's going to shorten up the list by process type. So here we have volume mill. The second one is all the contouring, and this will fly out like this. So it's going to reduce that stack on the right side. The third one is process list mode, which will actually get the shortest possible amount of tiles available. So here, if we double click there, basically all the milling ops of contour type are together, and all the hole tiles are together. And then the last choice is manual mode, where you can actually create your own stacks by right clicking and go here, create a stack. So here we go, 1 2 3 4, and then there's 5 ops in here going to 9, or 4 5 6 7 and 8 rather. So you can create your own stack or unstack them. Cool new feature. Thanks for watching.